Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. So I have a pork tenderloin here that is almost defrosted, and then I'm gonna start doing a rub on it. So I'm gonna put on all these little neat spices that I got in my previous video, like something like this. So and I'm gonna actually add some mustard to it, and then do some garlic salt, celery salt to it, and the mustard powder is actually gonna be the key ingredient with my balsamic. This balsamic blackberry ginger is really good, so I'm gonna put that with it and let it sit for a bit before I cook it. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so as you can see, it's all the balsamic vinegar is all in there now. What you see is that yellow powder is mustard, and it's seasoned really well. I'm gonna put the onions in there at near when this is. I'm gonna let this sit for at least maybe a couple hours before I cook it. So I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, here it is. So I got up the onions and the carrots. Now I'm just gonna put it. I'm gonna cook it. I am going to hit the most likely gonna hit the rice button on it. Alright guys, I'll be back later. Alright, so the tenderloin's all done. Let's do a quick taste test, guys. Just gonna grab a piece of it right here. There we go. That is really good. You get the flavor of the mustard, and you get the aroma, and you got the onion smell of it as well. So definitely check it out, guys. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel.